Hey guys, what's going on? Time for another video. Today is actually an unboxing video, which I don't do that many unboxing videos, but just got a package in, just came in the mail, gonna open it up. I believe this is from Rapala, and it is, if I had to guess, some Crush City stuff, which if you guys haven't heard, Crush City is a new soft plastic from Rapala that I will be using in the coming years. So, let's see what we got here. Bunch of bubble wrap, and yes, it is. Actually, there's a bunch of stuff. There's even some red line stuff and some new stuff. So let's see what we got. Get rid of the box. Little bag here. All right, so I've done a video on these trays. These are the wrap stack trays. There's a 3600 version, but inside the trays, new baits, Crush City. All right, now this one here, I'm gonna start familiarizing myself with these, but this is called the Freeloader. I believe this is a Jacob Wheeler design bait. Packaging looks great. Comes on a tray, so they're gonna stay nice and straight. Actually, it's a clam pack tray. I'm gonna pull one out here. And apparently there's two types of plastics in the Crush City lineup. One is a super stretchy plastic, and then there's their standard Plastisol. So this would be one of the standard Plastisols. This is gonna be a great bait that can be used as a trailer. It can be used on the back of a chatterbait, a spinner bait. It could be drop shotted on a football head, worked on a jig head. I can see walleye absolutely annihilating this, as well as smallmouth and largemouth. So that is the Freeloader. Here's another one for all you Ned fans out there. This is the Ned BLT. Now this kind of cool, same packaging. So actually not the blister style clam, but it's got the nice tray to keep them nice and neat. We talked about the material. This is that super stretchy material we were talking about. A couple things I like about this bait right away by looking at it. You can see it's got some pretty cool ribs on it. That's gonna hold a lot of scent, move water, create disturbance, but it's also got a solid area. And from what I understand about this bait, it is incredibly buoyant, like almost to the point where it'll hold up an 1/8 ounce jig head. So this with the VMC Ned Rig Jig or that new Swingin Ned Rig Jig is gonna be a perfect combination. So that is the Ned BLT. Here's another one for all you flippers for largemouth, the Bronco Bug. The Bronco Bug has got a unique design, and this is gonna go really well in a lot of situations. This is the same clam pack though, so completely protected to protect the appendages. This is not the super stretchy material, but it is a very good feeling Plastisol. The design of this, if you look right inside this area, is the fact that when you pull it, the claws will fold back and then release and open up again. So it is a craw creature style bait, lots of appendages. These, as it's being dragged backwards, are going to move really nicely in the water. It's got lots of ribs on it, but the big thing is the way the middle is designed so that when you pull it back and it's falling, the hands will fall forward and then spring forward, much like a defensive craw position. So that is the Bronco Bug. So pull that one there, move that. I'm gonna line these up for you guys because they're all kind of cool. And then this one's gonna get a ton of use from me. This is called the Suspect. And I believe this is a Canadian bait. So this is a 2.75 inch swim bait made out of that super stretchy material. Great color, that IU color. But that is the perfect size bait. I mean, I have caught so many fish on a small swim bait, and I think this one is gonna fit right into my arsenal and add the durability of that stretchy material. So you got that. That is the Suspect, 2.75 inch. Let's see what else there is. Ooh, okay. Cleanup Craw. So the Cleanup Craw. Booster pack clam as well to protect them. I'm seeing this automatically as a flipping and a trailer bait. This is gonna be a phenomenal jig trailer. It's also going to be a phenomenal craw for flipping in weeds and stuff like that. So very aggressive foot design on these. So it's gonna kick incredibly fast and hard. Good size body, lots of meat for using a wide gap hook or a straight shank hook, whatever you prefer. I mean, I can see the red line flipping hook or the wide gap, extra wide gap being used with this as well. Tokyo rig, I mean, a number of ways, but I'm excited about using this as a flipping jig trailer or a swim jig trailer. It's gonna go really, really well. So that is the cleanup craw. That is another bait. I'm liking the lineup so far. The jerk. So this one's called the jerk. Okay, so this is a fluke style bait. So the difference between this and the first one, you can see the tail, it's got that pointy tail with the bulbs on it. This one here is a fluke style bait. So, I mean, whether you're moping, demiki rigging, throwing it on a jig head, weightless, drop shot, this bait, the jerk, is gonna have a ton of play. It is 3.75 inches in length, and it's bait fish scent infused, and it is the stretchy material as well. So, says they call it smart injection technology, and that's what gets them all these fine details that you're seeing. I mean, everything down to a slit in the belly to hide your hook in. Really, really well done. Very, very impressive. So that's the jerk. Right, and that's another one. So let's see what else we got. Couple of them. Heavy hitter. All right, all you northern pike, largemouth guys, big walleye guys, this will be a player as well. This, I believe, is a Canadian version as well. This is a big swim bait, big boot tail, heavy, shad-shaped body. Okay, so it's got a slit in the belly, but it's that stretchy material as well. So this is going to be a great addition. Football head down deep on Erie, Lake Ontario, St. Lawrence River, Lake Simcoe, or slow rolling it. You can throw this thing with a lightweight, or you could just put an extra wide gap hook in it and throw it through pads and stuff like that. High buoyancy, really, really going to work well. Kick a lot of water up. So that is the heavy hitter. And then there's the mayor, which I saw Wheeler talking about this one as well. The mayor, let me hold that up for you. It's the mayor right there. A little goldfish color action. The mayor is standard Plastisol, okay, but a swim bait, very much similar to the heavy hitter. Heavy hitter is 4 inches. The mayor is 4 inches as well. Got some unique little things, a little tail tip on it. A little bit different design, but still has that shad shape. The tail is thinner and flatter. So I think this one's gonna have a little more tail action, where this one is a little thicker in the boot tail action. You can see the shape is actually different. One has got a spade, one has got flat sides on it. So these two baits, although they're similar in size, are gonna have two very different uses. I could see this one for a number of ways, weightless to all the way down to a football head or a trailer on a chatterbait. This one will be a great trailer on a chatterbait as well, but because it's got that stretchy material, okay, it's high buoyancy, it's gonna play completely differently than the mayor. So the heavy hitter and the mayor. Let's see what else we got in this little kit here. Of course, Wacky Nikos. You know, these are the new red line hooks, which I did a video on as well. And they're supposed to be a Swingin Ned Rig Jig. This was a best of show winner. Here they are, the package actually opened up. I got them. This is a best of show winner at ICAST this year. It's called the Swingin Ned Rig Jig. Let's see if I can get this out. And I'm gonna have some fun with these. So this is the Ned Rig Jig, which I started using last year and I fell in love with. Got a great keeper, reverse barb keeper on the shank, good head design, conical head like a mushroom, but it has this awesome hook in it. So this one, they made a version where it is full swinging, so that Ned BLT or whatever else you throw on this is really gonna have a lot of movement standing up. These are gonna be available in a bunch of sizes. I believe they're gonna be from 1/8 all the way up to 3/8 they're gonna be available in, so that is also something new. And I think that's about it from what I got. So there you have it, guys. There's some new stuff from Rapala Crush City Plastics, and obviously a couple of new VMC products, but I'm gonna be starting to run these for the 2024 season. I'm kind of excited about it. They got a great lineup. And I was told that there are a bunch of baits all over globally for different fisheries that are being created in this lineup. I know Rapala's super stoked about it. I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm actually going to take some of these out tomorrow and do a little bit of field testing with them, and I'll let you guys know how they go. But if you guys can do me a favor, do me a small favor, click subscribe down below and click get notifications. That makes sure that our videos get into your feed. If you have any questions about the product or you have any comments about use or you tried it, leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And then we can help you with setups and situations where I feel like these baits are going to work best. Once I get some time under them, I'll be more than happy to answer as many questions as I possibly can about them. So there you have it, guys. A little unboxing, unconventional unboxing for the Rapala Crush City Customs. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all having fun. Most importantly, I hope everybody is catching some fish. We'll talk to you guys soon.